so I just guessed at 50. Shot an arrow, but that's a lot of blood. You got it. Gotta get sharp knives. I pray to God no one has stolen my game camera. Feel. There's pretty much deer all around me. And a little rabbit. Nice. A nice chalky buck would be nice, actually. Another morning in the tent. Right, I'm sitting in my my favourite glassing spot again this morning. My car said it was 7 degrees, so that's not even that cold, to be honest. I don't know if the samba's going to be walking across the tops again, but we'll have to soon wait and see. This is what you call breakfast of champions. I think that might be a samba. There is it's a young buck. It's not big enough for the rifle, but I might have a crack with him with the bow. Hopefully he's moving to the left. I should be able to cut him off. There's 2 bucks here. That was close. Bit of lunch break. Moroccan lamb. Not too bad, actually. It's a bit cold this morning. Oh, it's all iced up. I love to know if I'm the only one, but I've driven now, this my second week in a row. I've driven 5 hours overnight, got here about 11 o'clock, and then now I'm gonna hunt till 11:30 when the deer sort of piss off back into the thick stuff and disappear. 11:30 I'm gonna go home. Am I the only one that does this stupid shit, or is this fair enough? That's all the time I got, so we make the most of it, see how we go. Now we just sit and wait for the sun to come up. These white deer, man, they stick out like dog's nuts. No wonder they're the first ones to get shot. There's pretty much deer all around me. There's deer. Maybe now it's like 100 meters. Deer just crossed up there. And there's deer across the valley too. I haven't seen the sambar come across. Standard now because I'm in position. The sambar doesn't show, but that's okay. If I had the bow right now, I'd probably go for, there's like a small buck down there that we're just fighting. I would probably go for it, but I'm not going to shoot a small buck with the rifle. Just over the top here should be about half a dozen deer, probably more. So there might be a buck in it, I don't know. We'll see. I just spooked a buck driving up. I think it was the same one that I shot at last week. That's a deer just there. I'm gonna go get the bow. See how I can shoot with the bow. I've just picked up the bow. And I'm gonna go around and down. There's a small deer down the bottom. So I've just left my pack down there. And let's see if we can get in close and put an arrow into it. A couple meters now, so I've got to get a lot closer. And down and around and up. Hopefully they're feeding down. And there's a shitload of deer across there as well. Yeah, let's go that way. That's good. I just bumped a bunch of chocolate doughs. They were at freaking 30 meters and they ran to 40. And I ranged it, but then it kept going, so I just guessed at 50. I shot an arrow, but God knows if I'm going to be able to find it now. I think it hit it far back, to be honest. The way it jumped up, it did that little back kick, but it would have been far back, this shot. But I think maybe I hit it. At 50 it was, so I just guessed. But I don't know. Let's see if my arrow's up there. Well, I found my arrow. That looks like liver. The way it's all dark like that. Yeah, it's not good. It's all shit on the broadhead. There's blood, but it's liver blood. Far out. Okay. Well, if this is where it is, maybe, here we go. Oh, there's quite a bit of blood here. There's a bit of blood here. Might have done the job. Look at this. Yeah. It's losing blood. Yep, here's a game trail. Yeah, that's good blood, man. Yeah, it's about 30-40 meters of blood trail, so bleeding a bit. Yeah, it's a lot of blood. To brush off like that, the whole side of the animal must be covered in blood. But the blood trail's starting to get a bit harder to follow now. Oh! That's why. It's just there. Oh, what a perfect eater. That just went freaking just over the top there. Maybe 50 meters. Thanks, little buddy. Very far back, but yeah, really far back. But just did enough, I guess. I mean, didn't go that far, and I wasn't walking for long, so it did its job. The car's freaking just over there, so I'm just gonna carry him just like that. Leave you in the shade for now and see what else we can find. There's a few deer on that ridge there, so we'll go over that side. Bit of an outfit change, take some layers off, change the weapons over. How good's this? See what's over here now. There's quite a few does over here, if they haven't gone over yet. What are you looking at, buddy? Okay, you see how, because it's a young animal, how light coloured the meat is. So just get that done, and then now use gravity and just so we're going from that to that to that. Free range venison. That is perfect for the freaking, for the oven or the freaking slow cooker. How's this for a bed, eh? Look at this. This has been smashed. That's crazy. Australia, mate. And they're off, and they're running down the line. Oh, another 5 hours driving for about 5 hours of hunting, but this time Lucas's first time hunting, just fresh, got his firearms license and R license, and tomorrow's objective is to get Lucas his first deer, so it should be good. Just above the shot, if you're ready. Okay, in mind. When you're ready, go for it. This way. Reload, Lucas. Reload. It's just behind these bushes here. Okay, I think it's going down, Lucas. Just put the gun on safety. There's more up there. See how they're just sitting up there at the top?
Yeah, they didn't even fucking...
Yeah, we just stay still. They don't know what's going on, so they're not going to run away. I think Lucas's first deer has gone 50 meters. That's where he shot it from. How'd that feel? Very good for a first deer. 150 meters. Good shot. That's very good. The fog was so thick this morning. We've been doing nothing since freaking 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:30. Usually the deer are gone by 10:30. But because of this fog, it's just cleared and they're starting to come up now. I was getting worried. Brought Lucas here, took a day off to sit and watch fog. Freeze out. Oh, so cold. But this spot, without a fail, has got deer on the side of it. What bullet is it? 243?
243.
Mm-hmm. Then we can leave it there and we'll go try get another one and then come back for it since it's so cold. Well done, Lucas. First D.
Right there, busted the shot off.
That is pretty much bang on. Like you want to hit it there, or it's like a bee's dick away from where you'd perfect. And because we were on an elevated position, it entered their trajectory, and it took out there. That's so much blood. It didn't last very long. But that's a freaking cracker shot, bro. Well done.
Taking a nice coat.
That's it. Just little cuts at a time. Skim the bottom of the heart. Well done. All caped out. Done and dusted. Let's go home. Yeah. Get the tail. The edges are the most important bits. Flesh touching salt.
Boom. That's it.
Let's pray to God no one has stolen my game camera. It's in a wallow, so if there's anything on it, it's going to be friggin' sick. Oh! Holy sh! That stings. Oh my god, that stings. Oh my god, I went up to my gaiters. Kirsty, well done.